In this video, I'll be explaining to you how to fix all payment issues with Facebook ad. Okay, whether the issue is card declined, failed charges, unsuccessful payment, any issue that you are having when it comes to trying to pay for your Facebook ad, I'll be explaining to you what to do to fix it. Okay, these are screenshots of some of the payment issues I have experienced in the past, and some of you might have experienced them as well. Issues like charge failed, issues like payment declined, issues like couldn't add funds. So there are payment issues that are associated with Facebook ad, and sometimes we face such issues. Now, I have actually fixed so much that I don't have an account currently that has such issue. So that's why I'm not using such account to show you how to do it. How to do it with an account that has such issue. But if you follow my steps, it's going to work for you. Just listen attentively. I have had several of these issues, and they were all fixed. Okay, so how can you fix these payment issues? No matter the payment issue you are having, as long as it has to do with paying for your ads. Now, I need you to do these things. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is you go to your bank and lay a complaint. Okay, or if you already have a MasterCard or a credit card or a debit card, you can and you try to make payments and it's not going through, go to your bank first of all and tell them that you want to be able to make payment, international payment, with your card, and they will fix you up. That is the first step, especially for those of you who have been making payments, but recently your card expired and you got a new card, and you found out that the new card is not making payment or processing payments online. So the first thing you need to do is you go to your bank, okay, and lay the complaint now, and know what your bank will tell you first. Okay, now the next option is to get a virtual card, anyone. So now, what is a virtual card? A virtual card is a card that is not physical, is not a hard copy card, is a card where is like your MasterCard, is a debit card that is not physical. That is a virtual card. Okay, is a debit card that is not physical. You cannot hold it, and you use it to make payments online. Now, there are many fintech companies. Okay, there are many fintech companies and banks that issue such cards that you can use to make payments online. Now, I don't know the country you are watching this tutorial from, whether from Nigeria, whether from Kenya, Ghana, Sierra Leone, South Africa, especially the people that have this issue of card payments are more of African countries and Asian countries. Okay, so if you are from any of these African country, okay, yes, I feel your pain. I've been in this situation several times, and that is why I'm bringing you this guide. Okay, and whoever you are, wherever you are, as long as you're having this challenge, I feel your pain as well. So now look out for virtual card or virtual card services in your country. You just have to go online and Google it. Okay, check out virtual card services in your country, and then get one, sign up and apply for one. Then you use it to make payments, and it's going to go. Your payment should go through. Okay, I'm going to drop the link of some virtual card services that I use, and some of them support some African countries. So I'm going to drop their link, and as well drop the countries that they support. So if your country fall into the list of countries that the fintech approves or works with, then you can try them out. Okay, so once you use a virtual card to make payment, there is 90% chances or 80% chances that the payment is going to go through. So get a virtual card or virtual card and use it for your payment. Okay. Now, another thing you need to do if your payment is not going through is to pay in bits and not in bulk. For example, if you have $215.49 to pay, okay, and you try to make the payment is not going, remove the 49 cents, remove the digit after the decimal, okay, remove the digit after the decimal and remove the decimal, okay. Now try and make payment according to the whole number there, and make sure that the amount you have in your card is enough to foot the bill, okay. Try and make payment. So if the money is too much, you can try and make payment in bits, okay. For example, if you have $50 to pay, you can try and make payment. You can start with 20, okay. You can make the payment in bits, and you can as well make the payment by removing the decimal, okay. If you try to make it in full with the decimal and it does not work, try removing the decimal, okay. If you have removed the decimal and it does not work, then try and pay in bits. Don't pay wholly. Don't pay the money in full due to some bank restrictions and some bank policies. There are certain or there is always a certain amount of transaction that you can make per day. So try and pay in bits. It's going to work. Now, these are possible solutions that you should employ to see that your payment goes through. Either of these solutions should work for you. Either of them should work for you to resolve your payment issues. Okay. Now, for those of you that your country allow PayPal, okay, now use PayPal to make your payment. Okay, use PayPal to make your payment. Now, the last option is for you to switch to a prepaid payment method. Now, most people who are having these payment issues are people whose payment method are on the postpaid. Now, what is a postpaid payment method? A postpaid payment method is a method whereby you pay for your ads after the ad is complete, or after you have reached a particular threshold, okay, after you have reached a particular limit. Now, Facebook, for those of you using postpaid, Facebook allows you to run your ad first. Now, when the ad is done, maybe if you're trying to run an ad for 1 week and the ad is done, they now bill your card, they bill your account. So, and this is where you now start having this payments not processing and a whole lot of them. So if you have tried these first 4 options I just mentioned, then try switching to a prepaid payment plan. Now, what is a prepaid payment plan? This is a payment plan where you pay for your ad before you start running the ad. You fund your ad account. You have a wallet on Facebook that you fund it first before you run your ad. So Facebook now takes the money from there, okay. They take the money from there. Now, every account that supports a prepaid payment method, what Facebook does is that in your country, Facebook gives you a gateway, a payment gateway that is allowed in your country. So for prepaid payment method, Facebook gives you a payment gateway that allows transaction to go through. You need to switch to prepaid. There are videos on the internet, or you can check my YouTube channel for the video, or you can ask in the support group. Depending on where you are getting access to this video, you can ask in the support group, and we'll send you the link of the video on how to switch from postpaid to prepaid. Okay, so once you switch to a prepaid payment method, your payment issues will stop, because you will have to fund your account. and Facebook now provides you with a payment method or gateway that is supported in your country. Now you pay in your country's currency. Okay, you pay in your country's currency. So these five strategies are the five strategies that you can employ to overcome any kind of payment issue. And if you follow these instructions and it's not working out, then send us a message in the support group with a screenshot, and we'll look into your case and help you fix the payment problem. Thank you.